Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, getting real-time data has become a significant challenge for many businesses. But guess what? This problem is now a thing of the past. With Google Maps for Power BI, you can unlock real-time mapping features that not only solve this issue but also revolutionize how you visualize and analyze your data. And the best part of this visual is now you will get real-time data with Google Maps API key, ensuring that your map reflects exact up to the minute location data for stores, customers or anything else. It will help you even in giving locations within a small to small distance. Are you ready to take your Power BI dashboards to add real-time mapping features that let you track important locations, measure distances, and visualize your data in ways you have never seen before? Sounds exciting, right? Well, in this video, we are diving into Google Maps for Power BI, a pro-licensed visual packed with powerful game-changing features. Stay tuned to learn how you can elevate your analysis and make smarter business decisions with interactive maps. With this tool, you can add multi-markers to pin down your important locations on the map. Prefer circle markers? Switching is simple, whether it's for retail stores or customer locations. It's perfect for mapping your data. You can set specific radiuses around your locations to zoom into your data. Want to analyze customer reach within a certain distance? Done. With the Pro option, you can toggle between miles and kilometers for flexible distance measurement, perfect for any region worldwide. For deeper insight, discover common data points across multiple radii, helping you identify overlaps in service areas and make smarter decisions. Need to start fresh? Use the clear option to remove all the filters and reset your map quickly. A standout feature, custom shapes, let you focus on key regions, hiding irrelevant data and keeping your map clean and precise. Plus, you can enable the circle option, which shows all the locations within that specific circle, making your analysis even more focused. And with the auto zoom feature, your map will zoom in automatically based on the selected data. No need for manual adjustments. This helps you quickly focus on the relevant regions. Full navigation control means you can zoom, pan, and explore various regions or cities effortlessly. Want to navigate even faster? Use keyboard shortcuts to move through your map with ease. When there are many data points, this visual will cluster them together. As you zoom in, those clusters break apart into smaller, more detailed segments, making the map more informative. Another cool option, when you hover over a location, the show radius feature highlights all the locations within the selected radius, helping you quickly identifying key data points. So whether you're refining your marketing strategies, planning new store locations, or analyzing customer distribution, Google Maps for Power BI is the tool to have. Start using it today and see how it transforms your data. This version includes the Pro options, allowing you to enable additional features. Let me know if you need further adjustments. Thank you.